technical option as to why so our idea was, we thought, what do we like? We quite like playing games, as you can see in what people do, considering the last three presentations have been on games. So we decided we'd make a roguelike, but we thought, we don't want to do standard roguelike, and also we have to use an API, so that's a bit of a problem normally with the game. So what we did was, we took inspiration from games like NetHack, obviously the original roguelike, and we went, what can we do to make it different and work with an API? So we took the map API from Google Maps and took the reverse geocoding. And so basically, it will generate a map based on your surrounding area. And depending on if there's roads there, forests there, or places of worship.
Actually generating a map of your local surrounding is a multi-stage process. Because first off, you're only given the IP of the user, and we pass that through an API called IP-API, and it would return the latitude and longitude. And then with that, we pass it to the Google Maps reverse geocoding API, and it will return information about a select area of that latitude and longitude. So we would do a 50 by 50 grid centered on the user's location, and we would do a request for each tile in that grid. This way you could build up a very clear map of what's around that user, and you can easily create different tiles and a general picture and use that for the game.
So this is some of the art I made. There can be some changed out. You may recognise one of these. We spent quite a while making the tile sets, all the sprites, and all the characters, obviously. So we've got the back end, which was written by a friend who couldn't be here, unfortunately. But basically, he wrote all the game mechanics and all the logic and connected everything together using Python. And basically, he ran everything through Python and connected.
Yes, it was. No, actually, we used Ajax in combination with a Python server.
So our first prototype was displayed here. Unfortunately, we did it in London, so everything was a road. I can't really think of.
Yeah, and we updated the program in order to solve this by narrowing down the search boxes around the areas, so that not everything would hang up on the road.
Yeah, and also we put boxes around each individual tile after that because it doesn't look so great and you can't tell.
It's a tile-based system.
Really neat idea. I like it. I think the idea of personalising the game is really just it's sweet. So, what else could you add into that? We heard in the last question that weather API. Could you make it? Could you change the game conditions more?
Maybe we change the different monsters that might spawn depending on the weather. Maybe set the level depending on maybe wind speed. We could basically change lots of variables, either a drop rate of certain things.
Comic Relief, Rubberneck.